Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to make old Windows programs run on Windows 7. First, locate the program. Right click on it and select Properties at the bottom. Switch to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode for. Choose from the section. For example, if you know that your program will run only on Windows XP Service Pack 3, then choose Windows XP Service Pack 3 from the list. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Now run the program and see the result now. As you can see, the program has been installed on XP SP3 compatibility mode. This is how we can make old Windows program run on Windows 7.